Good morning, students. 13.3, question number 7. A cylindrical bucket have 32 centimeter height and with radius of 18 centimeter. First, given the question, cylindrical bucket. The shape of cylindrical bucket will be this type. Okay. This is cylindrical bucket. 32 centimeter high. 32 centimeter will be high. And radius of the base will be 18 centimeter. Radius of the base will be 18 centimeter. A cylindrical bucket have 32 centimeter high and with radius of base will be 18 centimeter. Is filled with sand. Is filled with sand. Okay. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand. This bucket is emptied on ground. This bucket is emptied on ground then conical heap. मतलब इसको हमने खाली किया तो इस सैंड, हमेशा सैंड क्या फिसलती है, तो कौन की शेप में सैंड फॉर्म हुआ. दिस बकेट इज एम्प्टाइड ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड अ कोनिकल हीप ऑफ सैंड इज फॉर्म्ड इफ द हाइट ऑफ कोनिकल हीप विल बी 24 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द रेडियस एंड द स्लेंट हाइट ऑफ द हीप. दिस इज a radius will be capital R and this is a slant height. Okay. Question, according to question, a cylindrical bucket of height 32 centimeter, radius will be 18 centimeter, is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground. A conical heap is formed. The height of the conical heap will be 24 centimeter. Find the radius and the slant height of this conical heap. So therefore volume of both will be same because the sand will emptied on the ground, then in the sand in the cylindrical bucket and this sand is emptied on the ground, therefore both volume will be equal. So according to question, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Volume of cylinder will be pi r square h and volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi से pi cancel. The radius will be 18 square. Height will be 32 centimeter. 1 by 3. Radius नहीं पता अपने को. The height will be 24. 3 8 are 24. Therefore 18 into 18 into 32 upon में 8 is equal to r square. 4 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 से 16. तो r square is equal to 9 into 9 into 16 को 4 into 4. तो r is equal to 9 into 4. r is equal to 36 centimeter. वापस देख लीजिए. The volume of both the part will be equal. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h and volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi से pi cancel. Therefore, radius will be 18 square. Height will be 32 is equal to 1 by 3 r square into 24. Cancellation. Therefore, radius is equal to radius of conical heap will be 36 centimeter. अब we find the slant height. Slant height is equal to रूट के अंदर r स्क्वायर प्लस में h स्क्वायर. L is equal to radius 36 square and h will be 24 square. L is equal 33 square 1296 प्लस में 576. तो L is equal to 1872 फैक्टर करेंगे हम इसके तो ये आएगा 12 रूट 13 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. तो देख लीजिए हम a cylindrical bucket of height 32 centimeter and radius will be 80 centimeter is full with sand. This cylindrical bucket emptied on the ground, the conical heap is formed. Therefore height of conical heap will be 24 centimeter. Find the radius and sand height. The volume of both the part will be equal because in the sand will be emptied on the ground. Therefore, volume of sand in both condition will be equal. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. So first we find the radius of the cone, and second we find the slant height with the cone. Okay. Eighth question. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will be irrigated 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? First, this is a canal in the shape of cuboid. कैनाल से पानी एक खेत में जा रहा है. फॉर दिस इज ए okay, water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep, height will be 1.5, is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. Speed is equal to 10 km per hour, means 1 hour में 10 km पानी, मतलब 60 मिनट 10 किलोमीटर कन्वर्टेड टू मीटर 10,000 मीटर. हाउ विल मच एरिया विल बी इरिगेट 30 मिनट्स. 60 मिनट में 10,000 मीटर, देन 30 मिनट्स में 10,000 अपॉन में 60 इंटू 30, 0 से 0 कैंसिल, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 5,000 मीटर. तो L इज इक्वल टू 5,000 मीटर. वापस अगेन देख लीजिए. कैनाल, द width ऑफ द कैनाल विल बी 6 मीटर, हाइट विल बी 1.5 मीटर, स्पीड ऑफ द वाटर विल बी 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मतलब 1 आवर इज इक्वल टू 10 किलोमीटर. देयरफॉर 60 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 10,000 मीटर. 60 minute we find the water area will be irrigate in 30 minute. 30 minute का how much area will be irrigate? तो in 30 minute is equal to 5,000 meter water is flow out in this house. तो L is equal to 5,000 meter. The shape of both will be cuboid because it 8 centimeter standing water is needed. This is a rectangle, but 8 centimeter is what it is needed. The height of the water level will be 8 centimeter. The height of the cube shape of the rectangle, then the height of the water level will be L centimeter. The rectangle is converted into cuboid. Then both are cuboid. The volume of both will be equal. So therefore L into B into H is equal to L into B into H. Again, the repeat. The volume of a canal in the shape of cuboid. So the volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. This is अपन ने जो खेत के अंदर जो पानी डाल रहे हैं जो उसमें, तो पानी की जो हाइट है वो 8 सेंटीमीटर रख रहे हैं. तो द वाटर लेवल विल बी 8 सेंटीमीटर. तो रेक्टेंगल इज चेंज कन्वर्टेड इनटू क्यूबॉइड. तो देयरफॉर बोथ केनाल से इसमें पानी आया और केनाल का पानी भी इसमें लिखा हुआ कि इतने इतने मिनट का निकालना. तो हाउ मच एरिया विल बी इरिगेट इन 30 मिनट्स. तो लेंथ विल बी 5,000 मीटर. तो देयरफॉर क्या हो जाएगा 5,000 इंटू 6 इंटू 1.5 इज इक्वल टू लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ हमें पता नहीं है, तो L इंटू बी. हाइट विल बी 8 सेंटीमीटर. 8 सेंटीमीटर कन्वर्टेड इंटू मीटर 8 अपॉन 100 मीटर. तो देयरफॉर 8 अपॉन में 100. तो क्या हो जाएगा 5,000 इंटू 6 इंटू 1.5 इंटू 100 अपॉन में 8 इज इक्वल टू L इंटू बी. पॉइंट है देगा तो कि 0 0 से 0 कैंसिल, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 2 से 25. तो कितना है 5 3 ज़ा 15, 15 15 2 2 5 2 2 5 एंड 25. कितना है 562,500 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू L इंटू बी. L इंटू बी विल बी एरिया. तो एरिया इज इक्वल टू 562,500 मीटर स्क्वायर. वापस देख लीजिए, हमें निकालना था एरिया. कितना एरिया इसने इतने 30 मिनट में इसने कवर किया और वाटर लेवल की हाइट रखनी थी 8 सेंटीमीटर. तो L इंटू बी विल बी एरिया. तो एरिया विल बी 562,500 मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके. क्वेश्चन देखिए 9th क्वेश्चन. ए फार्मर कनेक्ट्स ए पाइप ऑफ इंटरनल डायमीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर. A canal into a cylindrical tank is her filled, which is 10 meter in diameter and 20 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank filled? One is cylindrical tank and this cylindrical tank is connected this pipe and this is fill the tank. Okay. A farmer connects a pipe. Internal diameter is 20 centimeter. Diameter will be 20 centimeter. So radius will be 10 centimeter. Okay. Meter centimeter converted to meter. So AR is equal to 10 upon 100 meter. So radius will be 1 upon 10 meter. Once again, this pipe is connected this cylinder. The diameter of this pipe will be 20 centimeter, radius will be 10 centimeter, radius converted to meter is equal to 1 upon 10 meter. Cylindrical tank is her filled. This pipe is filled this cylindrical tank. This cylindrical tank of diameter 10 meter in diameter 2 meter deep. Diameter will be 10 meter. Therefore, D is equal to 10 meter. Converted to radius, radius is equal to 5 meter. And deep will be 2 meter is the height. Height is equal to 2 meter. The rate of the 3 kilometer, the rate of this pipe, water flows with rate is equal to 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर. मतलब 1 आवर में 3 किलोमीटर पानी आ रहा है. मतलब 60 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 3000 मीटर. आवर कन्वर्टेड टू मिनट and kilometer converted to meter. In the 1 minute is equal to 3000 upon 60 meter. Therefore, 50 meter. In 1 minute, in the tank will be filled in 50. In the 1 minute, in this pipe, water level will be 50 meter. Height will be 50 meter. How much time will be filled this tank? So let the tank fill in X minute. Let the tank fill be X minute. Therefore, height of this pipe H is equal to 50x meter. In 1 minute, in this pipe, the water will be flow out will be 50 meter. In the tank, let the tank filled in X minute. The water, the height of this pipe is equal to 50x meter. 50x meter. Both will be in the shape of cylinder. Pipe will also cylinder and cylindrical shape. In the water and the tank, cylindrical tank will be cylindrical shape. Therefore, volume of both will be equal. Therefore, pi r square h is equal to pi r square h. Pi से pi cancel. Radius will be, this pipe will be 1 upon 10 square into the water. Height of this water is equal to, because in the fill the tank in x minute, that water in this level in this pipe, the height of this water will be 50x. So therefore 50x is equal to, radius of this cylindrical tank is 5 square into height will be 2. So therefore 50x upon में 100 is equal to 25 into 25 to the 50. X is equal to 100 minute. This cylindrical tank is filled in 100 meter the rate fill the water will be 3 kilometer per hour. Therefore cylindrical tank filled in 100 minutes. Okay, thank you.